So this one is a spreadsheet from the Specimen 3 year 2023. You are going to prepare an invoice using a spreadsheet for Tawara Digital Storage. This company makes and sells storage devices. All prices are in euros, which must be displayed to 2 decimal places. Make sure that you use efficient formula. Open and examine the file spec invoice.csv and spec ssd.csv in a spreadsheet package. So this one is the spec invoice. For sure that this one will be like the working file, the one that you will print for the formula and the value. And then after that, this one will be, I think this one is a lookup array. And if you look closer, I think you will get the unit price, capacity in gigabyte, and model based on the code. And all the codes is available in a single column and is available on the first, or is located as no, or maybe the code is in the first column of the table array. So most probably we will use the VLOOKUP. And then after that, save the spec invoice.csv as a spreadsheet with the file name invoice underscore followed by your center number, candidate number. And the example is given. I just directly do that. File save as, and then after that browse, and I will write it invoice underscore ID 142 and then 001 as a candidate number, and then don't forget to save it as Excel workbook and then save. Next is merge cell A1 to F1, and after that format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. So the size is bigger, and then after that we make it bold like that. And place your name, center number, and candidate number left aligned in the footer. You go to here, go to the footer left align. You type your name, enter ID, and candidate number. Hold on, that one too many. Let's take outside, go back to the normal view. Place function in cell C9 to E9 to look up the model capacity unit price of each item using the product code for the lookup value and the external file spec ssd.csv for the array. So in here, very obvious, the statement, the question say that the lookup value you use the product code, and then for the external file for the table array, we will use the external file spec ssd.csv. And we already defined that, we will use the VLOOKUP, right? So equal VLOOKUP. Opening bracket, the lookup value use the product code. And then after that, we move to the table array. Look on the hint to move to the table array, I will use comma. And then after that, I will go to here. And then I will select the table array. I just noticed the name is quite funny. Something. Something. Okay. And then after that, comma. We go to the call index num. This one means like the return value will be available in which column of the table array. So it will be this one for the return value. So that one is available in column 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will say 4, comma, false. And then enter, right? And then after that, the same thing for the others, right? For the capacity and unit price. But look here, make sure that if no data is entered in the product code for column, then nothing is displayed in C9 to E9. So if there is no data entered in the product code, nothing also appear on this cell, right? The one I will do for that, I will use if. So in here, I will say if the cell A9, the product code, is equal to none, is a blank, then you know what? The value that appear in the model over here, it will be blank. But if it's not, then show the result of the VLOOKUP, right? And I will put the cursor at the end of the formula. Why? Because I need to close the bracket of the if, right? So I will do like that one and then enter. Now, I will do the same thing with the capacity and unit price. Because the formula is almost the same, I just want to know like where is the capacity in the table array and where is the unit price in the table array. Capacity is available in the third column and the unit price is available on the second column. So the one that I will do, yeah, I will go here, I will highlight this one, I will control C. Control C is for what? For the copy. And then after that, I will go here and then paste. And I change this one become 3. And why I use this method? Because I just want to be sure that the A9 stay A9. Because if I just drag it, then the A9 become B9 or become C9. Okay, so that's the one that I will do. But for example, on the question it says that I want you to use the absolute reference, yeah, absolute reference cell. Then the one that I will do, I will just lock this one. I will lock the A. So when I copy it to the I will copy to the next column. The A will stay A. Okay, the A will stay A because I just lock it. But so it means when I copy it to the right, the A will stay A, right? But if I copy it down, the 9 will change, become 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So actually, this one is also fine if you want to do that. Like you do like this one and then you drag it like that. But be careful, okay? You need to change it to what? This one, the call index num. This one will be 3. And what's wrong? 3 and this one will be 2. Like that one. Yeah, so it's up to you. If you want to use this one, is fine. If you don't want to use that one, you can also use this method like this one. And then after that, click, highlight, copy. And then after that, in here, paste it, Control V. This one is 3. And this one will be 2. We'll give the same answer anyway. Yeah, like that one. And then after that, we go to the next one. Place in cell F9 a formula to multiply the number of items and unit price. So this one, and make sure that if no data is entered on the number of item column, look, number of item column, then nothing is displayed in F9. Okay, so first we create the formula. Number of items, you times it with unit price, like this one, right? Now, after that, to make sure that if number items is blank, then this one is also blank. You also, again, using if. If number items is equal to blank, so like that one, then the value that appear on that cell will be also blank. But if not, give the result of that formula. Or, yeah, that's the formula. Enter. Yeah. Don't forget to frequently save your work and then replicate the formula entered in step 10, 11 to 10 to 19. Okay. So all of this, I will paste it until 19. Done? And then after that, place in cell F21 a function to calculate the total of price column. Okay. So in here, basically you can use this if you want. You can use like sum. And then which one that you want to sum, it will be this one. And then enter. Apply appropriate formatting to all cell in row formatting to all cell in row 9 and 21. Okay, so it means everything related to money. It will be which one? It will be this one. Unit price is money, right? So uh, this one is fine. Although 20 actually is blank, and also press Control, and I will click on this one. Yeah, euro. So format cell. I will use accounting. Two decimal place, and after that euro. I will use this one. Yeah, the euro sign will be at the front. Okay, and then after that, print your spreadsheet showing this formula. Make sure it is landscape orientation. The row column heading are displayed. Grid lines are displayed. The content of all cell are fully visible. So the one that I will do, I will show the formula first. So I will go to the formula and then show formula. And then after that, I will highlight all the column name and I will double click on the line in between. That one is to make sure like everything, all the formula is fully visible. And I want to print this one uh, until here, right? The rest are blank. Now I can set a print area, so I can go to the page layout and then I will set like print area. So the area that I select right now will be the only area that will be printed. Okay, and then file and then print here. It says that I need to make it. Remember the size is A4, and then the orientation is landscape, and then after that, what else? I need to show the grid lines. I need to show the row column heading, and yeah, if you want to change the margin, make it smaller, it's also fine. So instead of having 3 pages, now we only have 2 pages. But again, make sure that everything is fully visible. Yeah. So this one is for the model. Everything is fully visible. And then after that, this one is for the capacity. This one is for the unit price. This one is the price. And after that, the sum. Yeah. And make sure before you print it, each page has your details. And it should be left aligned in the footer, right? And then after that, you can print. Now, after that, we hide again the formula, and then yeah, we can adjust this because the product code, the number, right, of items. Maybe this one I will make it small. Make it small. This one like that. Okay. Yeah. I think this one is done. And then enter the address as shown and format it like this one, Tawara Technology Solutions. Tawara Technology Solutions. Then I will make it. And then after that, 32 Acacia Avenue, 32 Avenue, and then Tawara, and then 45673. 45673. Right align, so I just make it become, because that one is the default alignment for a number, right? So I will make it left. Thing is the same. And then enter this product into the invoice 18 and 34. What? What? 34? Yes. And then number item 1 and 10. Done. Okay, the total will be there. So this one is fine. And then save your spreadsheet, save, and then print the entire spreadsheet showing the values. Okay, highlight this. Uh, Again, set as the, if you want to clear, you can, and then print, set print area again. Make sure everything is fully visible, everything is okay. And then it says that printout fit on a single page, content of all cells are fully visible, grid lines are not displayed, row column heading are not displayed. Yeah, for the value, usually the what? The grid lines, the row and column headings will not be displayed, right? Make it become portrait. Wait, this one is already portrait. Okay, look, this line a little bit thicker, yeah, than the others. This one is the sign of the first page, a single page. If everything is available inside it, oh, not this one actually. This one, look, the dotted line here. Passing, yeah. It means if you printed this, we will use more than one page. Yeah. So the one that we need to do, we need to adjust. Which one that we adjust? This one, of course. And then after that, this one, the capacity, the unit price. Not yet enough. Not yet enough. Okay. And I think this one is fine. All the dotted is gone now, right? So everything fit in. So we go to the file, print, and still we have the grid line. So we go to the page setup. We untick these two things. Okay, like this one. So I think everything is okay. Fit only on a single page. And if you want to make this one at the center, you can do that. Page setup, margin, and then make it center on the page horizontally. So it looks nice. Okay, and I think we're done with this one. Look on the unit price and price, all has euro and two decimal place, so everything is fine, and you can print. Now after that, the next one, you print the evidence document. Yeah, how to order your work. Then the first one, you will put the printout from the Excel consisting your or showing your formula. The second one will be the printout from Excel showing the values, and then after that the last one it will be the evidence document. Thank you and bye.